As you can see here, there are LEDs 1, 2, and 3 on the adapter board. I previously controlled them using CircuitPython, but this time we will control these LEDs 1, 2, and 3 using MicroPython. You just need to connect it to the adapter board like this. I opened the code from last time. In this state, erase the code and use from machine pin up time. The LEDs 1 to 3 correspond to pins 18, 19, and 20, which are GPIO. You can do it like this. Create an array for LED 1, LED 2, and LED 3, just like we did before in CircuitPython. Set it to true, then use for LED in LEDs, followed by LED high, and then sleep for 0.1 seconds. Finally, use LED low to turn it off. Let me download it once and check. As you can see now, LEDs 1, 2, and 3 are turning on and off every 0.1 seconds. Right. This is how you can control it. In this session, we worked on controlling the LED of the Raspberry Pi Pico using MicroPython. I will return with another topic next time.